Hi, it's Adam from KINCROME. I'm all mic'd up and I'm ready to introduce you to that. It's called Tool Armour and it's KINCROME's monster storage solution. Do you want to know more? Let's go and have a look. Let's start by saying that this is a fully modular tool storage solution featuring industrial grade 1.5mm gauge steel construction. Each component of the workshop features a fully programmable key locking system. This is the new way of ensuring that all of your locks on the workshop are controlled by one single key. Let's look at each component, starting with the bottom, the heart of the workshop, the tool trolley. This is a super wide 59-inch or 1500mm workspace that contains 11 soft close drawers with heavy duty ball bearing slides, each capable of a whopping 100 kilogram weight capacity. The bottom two drawers are larger than standard and have a weight capacity of 200 kilograms each. The soft close drawers prevent slamming and movement of the drawer contents, and the drawer grip locks keep the drawers semi-locked to prevent unexpected opening. The stainless steel bench top provides a perfect working surface. Moving downwards, the heavy-duty side trolley handles, coupled with 4 heavy-duty suspension casters, make the tool trolley totally mobile. The 1500mm wide Hutch perfectly complements the tool trolley and features a lockable door supported by dual heavy-duty gas struts. The inside of the Hutch is lined with a steel pegboard, offering 2 power access ports, and also includes a magnetic power board with 4 outlets, including USB. An adjustable shelf with 2 LED lights built in provide great lighting options for your work surface. The side lockers make the Tool Armour storage combo truly modular when they are added to the trolley and the Hutch. They provide a huge amount of storage and flexibility options. Each side locker contains 4 ball bearing slide out shelves with EVA liners and a huge weight capacity of 100 kilograms. The locker also has a single fixed shelf and 2 power access ports. The side lockers have heavy duty piano hinges that are reversible and can be easily switched and attached to the opposite side. The heavy duty side handles that come with the tool trolley can be attached to the side of each locker for added manoeuvrability. Lockable heavy duty suspension casters add stability, and the pegboard inside the locker add further storage options. The top lockers complete the Tool Armour workshop by adding additional lockable storage solutions that ensure that your bulkier items are stowed safely and securely. The dual heavy-duty gas struts support an upwards opening door, exposing a huge storage area that includes 2 power access ports. Just some important safety tips to remember. They look great in the promo photos with all the tool drawers open at the same time, but this is unsafe for display and storage, as the tool trolley could become unstable. For stability, please ensure that no more than 1 drawer be open at the same time. Large storage combos like this one are very heavy, even when empty, and should be definitely seen as a multi-person lift, and always engage the locking casters when stationary. So there you have it, the full Tool Armour storage combo, a truly world-class storage solution. For more information, please see the KINCROME website.